In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Roblox Studio on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open a browser on your phone. I'm going to use Google Chrome, but any browser works. Next, in the navigation bar, go to create.roblox.com. This is the Creator Hub for Roblox Studio. Once you're there, log into your existing Roblox account. If you don't have one, you can create an account by signing up. After logging in, tap the three dots at the top right corner of your browser. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. Now tap Install. You can rename it if you want, but I'll leave it as is. Once installed, it will be added to your home screen. Swipe up or go to your home screen, and you'll see the Roblox Creator Hub shortcut. Tap it, and it will take you directly to Roblox Studio on your Android phone. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tricks. See you next time. Let me know if you need any modifications.